Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a single master workbook so data stays centralized. First, add sheets for estimates, schedule, and costs. This keeps roles clear. Then set column headers: item, QTY, unit price, total, notes. Consistent headers enable formulas to copy correctly. Next, format ranges as tables and turn on AutoCalc so formulas update automatically. Once done, save a versioned file name like project name v1 XLSX. This helps when you need to revert or audit changes later. Now populate line items and apply formulas. Enter total as QTY * unit price and use SUM for subtotals. Structured table references make ranges robust when rows change. Once lines calculate, link those totals to a project summary sheet so one view shows cost, labor, and contingency. Make fixed values absolute with $ so copying doesn't break rates. Also add data validation for QTY and unit selections and conditional formatting to flag negative or missing values. Finish by reconciling and protecting your work. Cross-check summary totals against each sheet subtotal and inspect rounding or tax percentage applications. Inaccuracies often come from wrong signs or hidden rows. Then protect key cells and leave a short assumptions note for scope, rates, and contingency. Save incremental backups to avoid data loss. If things go wrong, trace dependents. Use evaluate formula and show formulas to find broken links or misplaced absolute refs. This one troubleshooting step usually locates jagged calculation faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.